Hello students, in this video you will learn birds name in English. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Sparrow. Parrot. This is a parrot. Parrot. Crow. This is a crow. Crow. Duck. This is a duck. Duck. Eagle. This is a eagle. Eagle. Owl. This is a owl. Owl. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Pigeon. Peacock. This is a peacock. Peacock. Hen. This is a hen. Hen. Ostrich. This is a ostrich. Ostrich. Raven. This is a raven. Raven. Penguin. This is a penguin. Penguin. Vulture. This is a vulture. Vulture. Swan. This is a swan. Swan. Rooster. This is a rooster. Rooster. Hawk. This is a hawk. Hawk. Falcon. This is a falcon. Falcon. Bat. This is a bat. Bat. Woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. Woodpecker. Dove. This is a dove. Dove. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. Kingfisher. Crane. This is a crane. Crane. Robin. This is a robin. Robin. Hummingbird. This is a hummingbird. Hummingbird. Gull. This is a gull. Gull. Turkey. This is a turkey. Turkey. Hornbill. This is a hornbill. Hornbill. Tell us in the comment section about this video on birds name. Hit the like button if you like this video. Please share with your friends and do subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.